have a little look inside your ears. So I've got a special little torch that I'm going to have a little look inside your ears with. So I'm going to come around and have a look.
Okay.
All right, let's have a little look in your ears. Oh, thank you. Oh, very good. We'll have a little look on the other side. Thank you. Excellent. Your ears are looking nice and clear. Okay, Dylan, the next test we're going to do is your ear is going to draw me a picture.
Okay.
So it's either going to draw us a mountain or a road. So
You want it to draw the road or the mountain?
I'd like it to draw the mountain. So we're going to pop the headphones on your ears. And you're just going to feel a little pressure change in your ear, like when you go up a big steep hill in a car. And then you'll hear some loud beeps, but I want you to sit nice and still for me.
Okay.
All right. So I hope your favourite colour is yellow. We're going to do a yellow colour on your ears today.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Oh, wow, look at that. A lovely mountain. And here come those little whistles. Excellent. Good job. And then we'll just do the other side.
My favourite colour is gold.
Gold, is it?
Yeah,
Oh.
kind of yellow.
Kind of like yellow, definitely. All right, let's look at this ear. Just pop that into your ear there like that. And here comes those whistles again. Excellent. Good job, Dylan. Well done. Just pull these off. Okay, Dylan. Now we're going to pop you into the spaceship.
Ooh.
Have a seat in the spaceship. So what we're going to do today, Dylan, is you're going to listen out for some aliens. And every time you hear the alien, I want you to press the button for me as soon as you hear them, okay?
Okay.
Now, sometimes the aliens are going to be really tiny, so you have to listen out really hard. And even if they're really tiny, press that button for me, okay? All right, we'll pop the headphones on. Just pop your hair behind your ears. There we go. Okay, Dylan, we're closing up the spaceship.
Okay.
Okay. But I've got to do the test here. Is you're going to hear a man say some words and I want you to repeat the word back to me, okay?
Okay.
Here we go.
5.
Good.
Bird. School.
Excellent. Good job, Dylan. Well done. Now we're going to swap over to headphones and do something a little bit different.
Okay.
Off. Now we're just going to pop this special headphone that goes behind your ears. So listen out for those aliens again and shoot them for me when you hear them, okay?